tulikubaliana.
Mutaramu wa maundu megie tiri na mimera Joseph Ngige wa Coffee Research Institute ni augite kigena gia kugacirithia urimi wa kahua nikio muhinga munene kuri arimi na kingihitukio urimi ucio no ugacire na arimi magie na mwihoko naguo.
Kenya to address the problem of productivity by having the government support the input in the next 3 years, and from there when the farmer reaches to the 12 kilos he will be able to support himself.
Ngige ni augite he bata kugia na mathomo ma mwanya kuri arimi maria mangiteithia murimi kumenya uria angitungata tiri wake niguo magetha make mongerereke.
These people are educated but not knowledgeable in coffee farming. They need to be trained through formal farmer field school and also through structured courses.
Nake muikarigite wa arimi a kahua mwena wa Meru ya gatagati Ephantus Majau ni augite ni mambikite mutaratara wa guthurima na kugacirithia njira iria arimi marahuthira urimi-ini wao niguo kumateithiriria kugacirithia magetha mao.
We have several ways we are trying to use. One, certification. We are aiming at the certification of coffee, that is the better farming practices through HUNS, through fair trade and the rainforest.
Munene wake governor wa kaunti ya Meru Kiraitu Murungi ni uritie mbeu njuthi ihimbirie urimi ucio irita njira ya gucokia riri hari urimi wa kahua.
Vibrant agriculture, you have to bring younger people in industry. So as we are thinking about this, we have to develop a program which I want to introduce in my ministry of youth in agriculture.
Atongoria aya marutite ndumiriri ino mari Nkovo gicigo kia ubunge kia Imenti ya Muhuro kuria marari na kigwamano gia kumurika urimi wa kahua.
Na tulikubaliana.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Kariuki wa Wachira.